Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on daily tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can register online to the Hang Seng Bank. Now to do that, firstly make sure that your device is connected to the internet and then open up a web browser. After the web browser opens up, on the search bar type in Hang Seng Bank and then hit the search button. After you do that, you will be on this results page. Now on this page, simply click on this first link. After you click on this first link, you will be redirected to another page. Now on this page, you will find this login button where a menu will drop if you put your mouse over it, and on this menu, on the bottom of it, you will see this register e-banking option. Go ahead and click on it. Once you do that, on another menu, this page will open up. Now on this page, simply click on this continue option. Now choose the type of account you want to use to verify your identity and click on continue again. Now you will have to click on this I confirm options and then click on this continue button. Once you do that, and once your verification is complete, your account in the Hang Seng Bank will be created. I hope this video helped you to create an account in the Hang Seng Bank. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video, and do subscribe to the channel for more such amazing tutorials. Thank you for watching.